Welcome to One Take Wednesday, where we discuss and explain what you want to know. It's unscripted, it is webcam quality, and it's designed for you to learn more. Hi, my name is Ash. I'm a teacher, web designer, and this isn't my first take of doing this video. Today, we are going to discuss website chat plugins. Okay? So a website chat plugin is just that little chat icon that pops up in the corner of a website. So for an example, we're going to go over to my website. I'm going to go there, and as that loads up, you're going to see a little chat icon pop up. And this time it's actually a little robot. How cute. Now it's a little robot in this instance because this is a set of pre-made or pre-configured, how would you say, messages that a user can use on your website. So you can give out information, you can answer questions. It's sort of those frequently asked questions you can put onto a chat icon. It can save you time, it can save you money, and they're pretty easy to set up. Now, this one that I use is running on Gist. And I wanted to go through a few different examples because this is a part of a bigger application. Now, if we just start, we won't get there and go to that app just yet. If we just go over to our plugins, so I've logged into WordPress. Now I'm just going to use a general search term like chat. And you're going to see that there are a lot of options for you. Now, I don't want you to get overwhelmed. I just want to show you the scale or the variety that comes with this type of technology. A lot of these are going just to do that one thing. They are just going to put a chat icon onto your website, and that's it. Now, something I've used in the past is a Facebook chat plugin, like this one from Facebook. And this is a great option just to do that one thing. For example, my wife's website, it's currently down, we're rebuilding it, but this is her primary use of chatting is through Facebook. She gets her clients through Facebook. So it just made sense for her business just to have an app or a chat plugin that just did that one thing, and it does that one thing pretty well. Okay. Doesn't have great reviews, so it probably could do better. Now, on this sort of other spectrum of that option is going with something like a CRM, something that is a bigger application that not only gives a chat plugin, but it also provides email marketing and other features like that. So you might have to find and do some testing with what one works for you. So going to an article like this, now this is just from a quick Google search of live chat plugins, and WP Beginner is a great resource to start off in, and they've got some options here that you can try out. A lot of these options are either free or have a trial for you just to get used to. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a couple that I like and that I recommend. The first one being an app called Plutio. Now, this app is not at all just a chat plugin, but the process of getting it onto your website is pretty similar to the other one, so I thought I'd show you anyway. So I've gone into the area in my app, right now in the version, it's in Inbox. They've got a piece of code that will actually pull over that chat icon. So all we have to do is go over to our page, and I've just copied that piece of code. We can just put it into a new page. This is my testing website, so it doesn't look that, there's nothing really going on in here. I'm just going to go into my page builder of choice, and I'm just going to use a HTML widget and copy that over. Now, if you don't use Elementor, you do not need to do this. If you use a different page builder, or you just use the regular Gutenberg editor, it will all work the same. So I've pasted that code in, and I can see that it's already popped up. So if we hit publish on our live page, and we go view. So this is what other people would start seeing. You can see that it's working there, okay? So it's a very painless way of installing. Now, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good option. It is a part of a bigger app. Plutio does a lot more than just that one thing. It can do invoicing, project management, and a lot. So that's a cool option, and that might work for you, okay? Again, it's just finding what works for your business. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to our plugins. I'm going to go add new. Now the next one I'm going to show you is from that company and app called Gist. Now here we've got their own widgets. So they have got an all-in-one marketing. So this is sort of towards the other side of the scale, right? From the apps that just give a chat plugin over to those larger CRMs. This app of Gist is towards that other side. It is a CRM and it can do email marketing and a few other cool things. So what I do like, there has been tests about using plugins versus just copying and pasting code, and plugins can be faster than just pasting in code. Plugins can be optimized by the developers. So if you can, whatever app you go with, if they have a plugin available, I would recommend using that plugin. So once you've installed whatever plugin you like, in this case it is Gist, you usually have a platform where you can customize. So over here, I've got some customization that I've got for this plugin. So it's pretty easy. Once you go into the area, you can ask the first question. You can then have the answers that they get prompted with, and it continues on sort of like a drip feed email or a drip feed message, okay? And it's pretty easy. And you'll notice now, once you install it and you'll get used to it, you'll see how all of these apps are very helpful. So Gist obviously uses their own plugin here, and it is really good for support services. When you have questions, you can see some of the questions there, and the support teams can get back to you quite fast. So there are a lot of benefits for using these on your websites, not only just to convert leads, but just to help the clients that you have. So I hope that this little One Take Wednesday has helped you in some way. You might have learned something new or thought about something that you haven't thought about before. So that's me. Thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate it if you've made it this far in the video. If there's anything you need from me, please leave me a comment and I will get back to you. So have a great day. See you next time.